All right, intermediate algebra students, absolute value, video number 3 here, graphing or graph absolute value functions. So on this one, you need to graph this function right up here, where you'll notice that this 4 is on the outside. Okay, remember when it's on the outside, that tells it to go up or down. So this one will go down 4. So this dot will drop 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So you can see on here, I dropped 1, 2, 3, 4. So it dropped 4. And then the scale factor is 6, which is just kind of like a slope. The slope is 6, so up 6 over 1. So from here we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1, and there it is. Okay, let's do one more example of how to do this one. Okay, so right here is our graph, and we've got 3 things to do on this one. So first of all, oopsie, I didn't mean for that to be scooting around. Let's lock that in place. I wonder if that means my answer is not locked in place. There it is now. On here, we are going to go up 2. So this one's going to go up 2. Then, how do you cancel a negative 6 on the inside? You cancel it with a positive 6, so it will move in the positive direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see what that looks like. Up 2 over 6, so it's right here is where the vertex goes, or the bottom point. And then our slope, the number in front of it, is 5, which means up 5 over 1. So from here, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. That's where the other dot goes. And that's how you do it. So that is how you graph absolute value functions, guys. Hopefully that was easy. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.